Hello friends, welcome to my channel Backend Bytes by Pratik. So in this video we will discuss more about Oracle SQL. So in this video first of all we will discuss about what do you mean by logical operators. So logical operators are nothing but the operators which are used to perform logical operations like logical AND operation, logical OR operation, logical NOT operation. Then these are called logical operators. So Oracle SQL provides three important logical operators that are AND operator, OR operator, and NOT operator. Let us discuss about AND operator. AND operator is used to perform logical AND operations. AND operator is used to separate multiple conditions. If all the conditions are satisfied, then that whole condition is true. Means if all condition is true, then only the total condition is true. Means if we can take two conditions, if condition 1 is true and condition 2 is true, then only whole result required output is true. If one condition is false, then output will be false. So syntax of AND operator, that is condition 1 AND operator condition 2. Let's discuss about OR operator. OR operator is used to perform logical OR operations. It is used to separate multiple conditions. If any one condition is satisfied, then that whole condition is true. Means if we can take two conditions, if at least one condition is true, then OR operator gives output as a true. OR operator is exactly opposite to the AND operator, because in AND operator both conditions should be satisfied so that it gives the output as a true. But in OR operator, at least one condition should be satisfied. Means one condition if gives true result, then output is true. So syntax of OR operator, that is condition 1 or condition 2. For better understanding, I take an truth table. So here I take two condition. Condition 1, that is C1, condition 2, that is C2, and I perform AND operation between C1 and C2 and OR operation between C1 and C2. So if condition 1 is true and condition 2 is true, in that case only AND operator gives true result as a output and OR operator also gives true result as a output. But in other three cases, AND operator does not provide true as a output, always provides false as a output. But OR operator only false case. If condition 1 is false, condition 2 is false. In that case only OR operator provides false, and other three cases OR operator provides true. So in first condition always AND operator provides true, and in the last case only OR operator provides false as out. So there are some important points, that is AND operator is used for all conditions should be satisfied. OR operator is used at least one condition should be satisfied. So for better understanding, I take some example so that you will be easily understand how AND operator and OR operators are performed. So display all manager and clerk records. So in this case, I use OR operator because display all manager and clerk records. An employee cannot be as manager and clerk. One employee worked as either a manager or clerk, but both not possible. If both possible, then we use AND operator, because AND operator condition is condition 1 and condition 2 both is satisfied. In that case, we use only AND operator. But in case manager, if one employee either worked as a manager or worked as a clerk, for that reason in this case we use OR operator. So we write like this query, like select star from emp where job equal to manager or job equal to clerk. So write like this to get required result as a output. So let us take an for my mistake select for my mistake in that case I write city like select. So let's go to another example, that is display the employee records who are working in department number 10 and 30. In that case also we use or operator because a employee cannot work as both department number 10 and 30, either work as 10 or work as 30. So in that case we use only or operator. So we like the write like this, like select star from emp where department number equal to 20 or department number equal to 30. So we write like this to get a required result as a output. Then move to another example. Display the employee records whose salary is 200, 2000 or 50 and more and 3000 or less. Whose salary between 2450 and 3000. So in this case, we use AND operator because the employee whose salary is on also 2450 and more also 3000 or less. So here a range means salary range between 2450 to 3000. So there is a trick, that is to identify in which case AND operator is used. So in case of range, if any data required in the range order means 1 to 10, 100 to 900, like in the range, in case of ranges, salary ranges, age ranges, department ranges, in that case we use AND operator. So here we use AND operator. So we write like this, select star from emp where salary greater than equal to 2450 and salary less than equal to 3000. So write like this to get a required result as a output. Then we move to another query, that is display the employee records who joined in 1981. So 1981 means the person who joined 1st January of 1981 to 31st December 1981. So it is a range from January to December. So in that case, we also use AND operator. So we write like this, select star from emp where higher date equal to 1st January 1981 more than 1981 and higher date less than equal to 31st December 1981. So write like this to get required result as a output. So move to another query, that is display the employee record whose employee number are 749976987900. So in that case we use OR operator because a employee worked in a company having employee number either 7499 or 7698 or 7900. Means a employee having only one employee numbers, not more than one records. If more than one records, then we use AND operator. But in this case, we use only OR operator. So we write like this: select star from EMP, where employee number equal to 7499, or employee number EMP number equal to 7698, or EMP number equal to 7900. So write like this to get required result as a output. Now move to another query, that is display the employee records whose name are Alan, Miller or Scott. So in this case, we also use AND operator because a employee having one name, not more than one name. If employee having more than one name, in that case we use AND operator, because AND operator condition is if all the condition is satisfied, and OR operator is condition is if one condition is satisfied. So here employee name either Allen or Miller or Scott, not Allen and Miller and Scott. This is not possible. So in this case, we use OR operator. So we write like this: select star from EMP, where ename equal to Allen, or ename equal to Miller, or ename equal to Scott. So we write like this to get required result as a out. So move to next query, that is display the manager's record whose salary is more than 2900. So here we use AND operator because our condition is the employee having job position manager and takes salary more than 2900. Here both conditions should be satisfied. So here we can take AND operator. So OR operator is not possible. So here we write like this, like select star from EMP, where salary, where job job equal to manager and salary more than 2900. So we write like this to get required result as a out. Then move to next query, that is display the manager record who joined after 1981. So here we can take display the manager record who joined after 1981. So here we can take AND operator because the manager who joined after 1981. So the employee having job position manager and also joined after the April 1981. So here we can take AND operator, not OR operator. So we can write like this: select star from EMP, where job equal to manager and hire date greater than, like a 1st January 1981. So write like this to get required result as a output. So Then move to next query. That is display all managers and clerks record whose salaries more than 2800. So here we take both AND operation and OR operation. This query is the combination of AND plus OR operator. This is the combination. This program is the combination of AND and OR operator. This program is the combination of both and operator. So how we write like this? So we write like this, like select command star from EMP, where job equal to manager, manager, or job equal to clerk. So select star from EMP where manager, where job equal to manager or job equal to clerk, and salary more than 2800. So write like this to get required result as a out. So here you say that why you take two operator, because here two conditions are explained. First condition is the employee should joined as a position of either manager or clerk, not both. Either manager or clerk and whose salary is more than 2800. So first case we use or operator because comparing the manager and clerk position. Second, the salary 2800. So second, in the second case we use salary 2800. So here both two operators are used. So now we open SQL Plus to practically showing this query and giving the giving result as a required result or not, and check our theory and practical is matched or not. For that reason we open SQL Plus. So run SQL command line. So success open, then connect, then username, that is system in my device, then password 1234. Successfully connected. Then set pages, then set lines. Now check employee table is available, employee table is available or not in my database. So select star from EMP. Successfully data showing and also present in my database. Now execute all the query and get the required result. So first query, that is display all manager and clerk records. So select star from EMP where job equal to manager or clerk. Job equal to clerk. Here we take or operator because one employee can does not join as two position. If join in manager position or clerk position. So hit enter. Select star from EMP where job equal to manager or job equal to clerk. Hit enter. So 7 rows are selected, means 7 employee worked as either manager or clerk. Then execute second query, that is display the employee record who are working in department number 10 and 30. Here also we use or operator because one employee cannot join with department number 10 and 30, either 10 or 30. So here we use or operator. So we write like this: select star from EMP, where department number equal to 20 or department number equal to 30. So 12 row are selected, means 12 employees are worked in company with department number 20 and 30. Then execute the third query, that is display the employee record whose salary is more than 2450 or more and 3000 or less. So here we use AND operator because it is a range. The salary range is between 2450 and 3000. So in this case we use AND operator. So we write like this: select star from EMP, where salary greater than equal to 2450 and salary less than equal to 3000. So successfully 5 rows are selected, means 5 employee worked in company with salary range 2450 to 3000. Then execute the next query, that is display the employee record who joined in 1981. So here we use AND operation because it is a range from 1st January 1981 to 31st December 1981. So we write like this: select star from EMP, select star from EMP, where hire date hire date greater than equal to 1st January 1951 and hire date less than equal to 31st December 1981. So 10 rows are selected, means 10 employee worked in a company after the 1981, who joined in the year of 1981. Sorry, who joined in 1981. So 10 rows are selected. Then go to the next query, that is display the employee record whose employee number is 749976987900. So here we use OR operator because a employee who joined in a company having employee number either 7499 or 7698 or 7900, not AND operator. So here not possible AND operator, only use OR operator. So we write like this, like select star from EMP, select star from EMP, where employee number EMP number equal to 7499 or EMP number equal to 7698 or EMP number equal to 7900. Hit enter. So 3 rows are selected, means 3 employees worked in a company having department number having a EMP number either 7499 or 7698 or 7900, means 3 are different person. So here showing Alan, Black, James. 3 are not one person. If 3 are one person, then we use AND operation. So 3 are not one employee name, so that we use OR operator. Then execute the next query, that is display the employee records whose name Alan, Miller, Scott. Here also we use OR operator because employee having only one name, not more than one name. If no more than one name, then we use AND operator because AND operator condition satisfy when all the conditions are true. So in this case, employee name either Allen or Miller or Scott. So in this case, we use OR operator. So we write like this: select star from EMP, where E name equal to Allen or ename equal to Miller or ename equal to Scott. So hit enter. Three rows are selected means three employee having different name, that is Allen, Scott, Miller. Three records are selected. Then we execute the next query, that is display the manager records for salaries more than 2900. So here we use AND operation because one employee having job position, that is manager, and we can take salary more than 2900. Here OR operation is AND operation is possible because both conditions should be satisfied. Here OR condition is not possible. So we write like this: select star from EMP where job equal to manager and equal to salary is more than 2900. So one row selected. The employee name is John. Salary 2975. Job position is manager. Then we execute the next query, that is display the manager record who joined after April 1981. So here I write like this. I write end operation because job position is manager with higher date. So I write like this, like select job equal to manager and higher date. Uh, so higher date before 30 after April 1961 means 30 April 1981. So two employees, that is Black and Clark, are joined as a position in company manager with the hiring in 1st May 1981, 9 June 1981. So these two employees are joined in a company after April 1981. Now execute the next query, that is display the manager display all manager record clerk whose salary is more than 2800. So here we use both AND operation, AND operator and OR operator because first condition is OR operator means employee either joined as a manager in a job company or joined as a clerk in a company. So or then with salary more than 2800. So here we use both and OR operator. So we write like this: select star from EMP where job equal to manager or job equal to clerk, then end operation and salary more than 2800. So hit enter. So two rows are selected means employee name John and Black and job position manager and both manager and clerk hired that successfully showing the data. Now we will discuss about another important logical operator, that is not operator. So not operator is used to perform logical not operation. Not operator is used to perform logical not operation. So condition of not. Let us take a truth table so that you will easily understand. So condition, if condition is true, so if we use not operator, then it converted into false. Then if we take false, then not of by using not operator, it convert into true. So true convert to false and false converted to true by using not operator. So let us take an example. By this example, you will easily understand how not operator performs. So display all employee records except managers. So we write like this: select ename, job, salary from EMP. Here you also write like this: select star. In that case, you also in the previous all example I take as a star. So in that case, you also write like star. So you also write like star. For star, all data. But specific data, you mention e-name, job, salary. From EMP, where job equal to manager not means the employee who joined as a all position like clerk position, salesman position, except manager. All positions should be shown, but don't showing the position that manager position. So here we also write in another way. We also write that is or that is we also write like this, like another method, that is select ename, job, salary from EMP, where job not equal to manager. So we also write like this. It also showing same result. It also here this query showing result, and also this query also showing same result. Here both two query showing same result. So how practically these two query are execute and showing the same result or not, to check, we open SQL plus. So open SQL plus. So select ename, salary, job from EMP, where job equal to manager. Manager, hit enter. So in employee name John Black Clark, three employee worked in a company with salary manager, but our condition is not manager. So we write like before the job, we write like not manager. So here all data, all the job position is showing, but not showing manager. So hit enter. So 18 rows selected means 18 employee joined in a company with job position clerk, salesman, analyst, president, salesman, analyst, software developer, but not joined as a manager. Except manager, all job positions should be shown in the showing in the display. So in another way, we also write like this: select ename, comma, job, comma, salary from emp, where job not equal to managed. So this query also showing same result, except manager job position, all job position should be showing in the shown in the display. So if you I want ename job salary 3 column. If you want all column, then you write star, so that all the data should be showing. So this is enough for today. So in this class I detailed explain what is logical operator, three types of logical operator, and how all the logical operators are used, and how logical operators are performed, and practically theoretically I shown how query are execute. So our theory and practically successfully matched. So this is enough for today. In the next session we will discuss about special operator. So please watch this video. Don't forget to like, share and subscribe my channel. Thank you.